Hey guys, I'm back at it again. 2011 Honda CR-V. It's got about 122,000 miles on it. Doing a transmission fluid replacement. Well, a drain and fill. So we're doing a drain and fill on transmission fluid here. I do that every 15,000 miles on Hondas. I just think that's the best you can do for the Honda transmissions. And the best fluid you can use is this Valvoline MaxLife multi-vehicle ATF. This will work for a Honda. Let's see if you can see it here. Wow, it's really small. Well, anyway, you can see there that it'll cover if you've got Honda DW-1 fluid. And then I think it also will cover the older Honda. Let's see what it says there, DW-1. The Z1, yeah. So it does the older Z1 and the DW-1. And so this 2011 Honda CR-V, I believe it uses the DW-1. And so we're going to use this MaxLife multi-vehicle full synthetic ATF. This is actually way better than the Honda fluid. I don't care what the Honda boys say. This is the fluid you want to use. And any of your Hondas that take DW-1 or Z1 fluid, I'll leave a link down below to where you can get this fluid. It's readily available most places, including Amazon. I'll put a link down below. Thanks for looking, guys. Bye.